When we think about plant growth, we often focus on the plant itself, the leaves, flowers, and fruits. But there's something happening underneath the surface that's equally important: the interaction between soil and roots. These interactions play a crucial role in a plant's health and growth. In today's video, we'll explore how soil and roots work together, the benefits of their relationship, and why this interaction is so essential for healthy plants. If you're enjoying this content and want to learn more about soil and plant health, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with our future videos. Now, let's explore the world of soil and root interactions. Soil and root interactions refer to the dynamic relationship between the roots of plants and the surrounding soil. Roots are responsible for anchoring plants, absorbing water, and taking up essential nutrients from the soil. In return, soil provides roots with the necessary support, nutrients, and water needed for plant growth. Roots don't just passively absorb nutrients, they actively interact with soil to extract what they need for growth. Let's take a closer look at how this interaction works. 1. Nutrient uptake. Roots play a key role in absorbing essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium from the soil. They secrete organic acids and enzymes that help break down complex compounds in the soil, making nutrients more available. 2. Water absorption. Roots also absorb water from the soil, which is essential for the plant's survival. The moisture is pulled into the roots through capillary action, and the plant uses this water for photosynthesis, nutrient transport, and overall growth. While roots extract nutrients from the soil, soil provides several important functions that support healthy root growth. 1. Soil structure and root penetration. A well-structured soil with good porosity allows roots to spread out and penetrate deeply. Soil aggregates provide spaces for roots to grow and access oxygen, water, and nutrients. Healthy soil structure also prevents compaction, allowing roots to develop freely. 2. Soil pH and nutrient availability. Soil pH plays a critical role in nutrient availability. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, plants may not be able to absorb nutrients effectively. Roots interact with the soil at the microscopic level, where the pH directly influences nutrient availability. A neutral to slightly acidic pH is generally optimal for most plants. Let's look at a real-world example. In an experiment conducted by the Indian Agricultural Research Institute, IRE, researchers studied the impact of soil amendments on root growth in maize crops. They found that when organic matter like compost and biofertilizers were added to the soil, root systems became more robust and better able to absorb nutrients. This led to healthier plants and higher yields. This case study highlights the importance of soil health in enhancing root development and overall plant productivity. In conclusion, soil and root interactions are vital for plant health and growth. Roots are not just passive organs. They actively engage with the soil to absorb water, nutrients, and support the plant. Healthy soil structure, balanced pH, and nutrient availability play a key role in supporting root development and, in turn, promoting overall plant health and productivity. By understanding and nurturing this relationship, farmers can ensure a thriving crop and a healthy environment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you seen the impact of soil and root interactions on your crops? Share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments.